Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to check if an oxygen tank is full. First, locate the pressure gauge on your tank. This device shows the remaining oxygen. Next, ensure the tank is upright and stable before taking any readings. We'll cover how to read the gauge accurately and understand what different pressure levels mean for your oxygen supply. It's crucial for safety and effective use. The pressure gauge is your primary tool for checking oxygen levels. A full tank usually registers around 2,000 psi, or pounds per square inch. As oxygen is used, the needle will drop. Pay close attention to the green and red zones. The green zone indicates a safe supply, while the red zone means your tank is nearly empty and needs refilling or replacement soon. Always confirm the gauge is functioning properly. Understanding your prescribed flow rate is essential for estimating how long your oxygen supply will last. For example, a higher flow rate will deplete the tank more quickly than a lower one. You can often find charts or formulas to help calculate the approximate remaining time based on your tank's capacity and your specific flow setting. This helps you plan and avoid running out unexpectedly, ensuring continuous therapy. Beyond checking the fill level, proper safety and maintenance are vital. Always store your oxygen tank upright and secured to prevent it from falling. Regularly inspect the tank and its connections for any signs of damage or leaks, which could compromise safety and efficiency. If you notice any issues, contact your supplier immediately. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is important for overall health, just like ensuring your oxygen supply is always ready when you need it.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.